Hi, my name is Rudy, and I'm going to show you how to change out the nylon adjuster rod on the blue flexTAP. And so we're going to dive right into it. And so I'm going to retrude the dial off the rod. I'm going to separate the upper tray from the lower tray. And so I'm going to grab my handy blazer hand torch, and I'm going to lightly heat up this thermocrow that's underneath the nylon rod, where it actually attaches to the plastic frame here on that lower tray. So I'm going to carefully just heat it up. And what I'm trying to do here is I'm just trying to soften up the thermocrow that's helping to kind of lock it in place. And so I'm going to soften up this material by heating it up. And I can grab my wax carver here and carefully remove some of the thermocrow from underneath the connection point there. So I'm going to give it another light pass, and I think it should be good to go. Let me try to, I'm going to apply some force downward on the rod there to see if I can get it to disengage. And there we go, came right out. So I'm going to grab my new nylon adjuster rod, and I'm going to pretty much insert it the same way. You can hear a clicking sound as I pull it upward. You can hear that. And so I'm going to just lightly flame the thermocrow once more. Just a light pass. That's perfect. Next step would be to grab my fingertip here and press that thermocrow back underneath that void where the attachment point is on that plastic frame there. And you can smooth it out with your finger. And that's pretty much done. It's locked in beautifully. We added the thermocrow back underneath it to keep it nice and secure. And so the next step you could do is you could let this sit on the bench for about 10 minutes and let this thermocrow cool off. It'll turn white completely, or you could speed up the process by having a ceramic coffee mug or any mug or any cup with water and ice, and just dipping it in there and leaving it in there for about a minute or two, and it'll speed up the cooling process, and this thermocrow will turn completely white, and that'll help to take care of it, and it'll be cooled off and ready to go. After that, you can just pretty much have your upper tray, insert it back onto the rod, and grab your dial and insert your dial back onto that threaded adjuster rod, and you're good to go.